Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today, we will show you how to make an easy boat origami. First, place a piece of origami with colored side face up. You can see we are using origami with a ton of fish scales on it. Fold in half vertically, then unfold. Fold in half horizontally, then unfold. Fold the bottom and the top towards the center. Unfold to make sure you have clear lines, then put it back to the rectangular shape you have just made. Fold the bottom right and the top right to the center line, and do the same for the bottom and the top left corners. Now you are looking at elongated hexagon. Fold inward, bringing the bottom right corner to close to the center line. Make sure that you know where the vertical and horizontal center lines are located. Fold inward now, bringing the top right corner to close to the center line. Do the same for the bottom and top left corners. Fold up the bottom to the center and do the same for the top. Open carefully from the middle and turn it inside out. Make sure that the colored side becomes the outside of the boat. Once done, it's complete. You have made a boat origami. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!